Hello, as many will already know, I'm Naomi Aguilar, and in this video I will explain in a general way what is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. As we already know, the nervous system is one of the most important and complex systems in the human body. It transmits electrical signals to different parts of the body and coordinates voluntary and involuntary actions. Its purpose is to regulate the functional organs and systems. This story is divided into two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Let's start with the central nervous system. This is the structural and functional center of the entire nervous system, being a process center. It consists of the brain and spinal cord. This system integrates sensitive input components, evaluates that information, and initiates an output response. The central nervous system controls most of the body functions, transmitting messages between the brain and the rest of the body in a better manner. However, the peripheral nervous system is formed by the prolongations of nerve paths and the lifted spinal cord to different tissues. It also consists of a complex system of sensory nerves, ganglia, and nerves. Nerves that originate in the brain or come out through the skull are called cranial nerves, and those that originate in the spinal cord are called spinal nerves, thus forming nerve plexuses.
My name is Alfredo Calimayor. I will explain an additional way of organizing the nervous system, which will be divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system carries information to the somatic effectors, which are the skeletal muscles. You should know that the somatic system has two divisions, efferents and afferent. Its efferent part constitutes most of the motor division, and the afferent part provides a somatic sensitive feedback that manifests with involuntary reflex. If we speak of the autonomic nervous system, it also has afferent pathways that give information to autonomous or visceral effectors, which are mainly smooth muscles, heart muscles, glands, adipose tissues, and another involuntary tissue. The autonomous system seems independent of the voluntary control. The efferent ways of the autonomous system can be differentiated into sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. Sympathetic division, consisting of pathways leaving the middle portion of the spinal cord, is involved in preparing the body to address immediately threats to the internal environment by producing the fight or flight response. Parasympathetic pathways leave the brain or lower portion of the spinal cord and coordinate the body's normal activities at rest.